Hello guys, welcome again to another tutorial for the product channel on YouTube. And today I'm going to show you how to solve the problem with the WebDriver in Safari. I mean, when you're using Selenium module with Python to automate the web browser, sometimes you just let me show that for you guys. What's the problem? So you starting up the Safari browser with the Selenium. For the first time it worked, but when you close that window for the web browser and you want to start the function again, it will not work. So I'm gonna show you how to solve this problem, guys. So just like make a new file here and import from port webdriver. Yeah, so Safari, and let's make a list here with the URL we want to visit. List, it's gonna be first one, so let's go over YouTube, https youtube.com, and let's go over the https www.facebook.com, and let's add a new another one. It's gonna be, let's say, Google. Okay, and we want to serve into this website with automated Selenium. So let's make it for URL and list webdriver dot get URL. Okay, let's save this. Oh, no one launch. And let's save this file. And run Safari browser in a second. And I'm gonna show you the problem right there. So I'm gonna save that to Python functions right here. I'm gonna tell this protect test.py Python. Okay, and let me run this, guys. Okay, it's running. Give just a second. Here we see the Safari. It's starting up, and it's go over this, all over this. Just stop the season. Just let's close it there, and just let add import the time, and just give 5 seconds. So let me run this again. and we're gonna see here the problem. What is it, the problem? So some of you gonna encounter this problem, so I'm gonna show you today how to solve this. See, you know why this happened? Because there is the WebDriver of Safari that's running up. So when you stop the web browser, the WebDriver Safari doesn't stop automatically. So I'm gonna show you that off and grab WebDriver. So you can see right here that WebDriver is still running with the ID of that. So we need to kill this. We can do that manually. And 34, 64. So we killed the Safari. Now let's try our program again. And here the Safari is starting up. You see, we solved the problem. But what if you guys want this to be automatically? You cannot do this manually every time you want to start up a browser and close it up, and you need to go to see what program is running right now and kill that WebDriver manually. I'm going to show you guys today how to kill this WebDriver automatically. So let's say here web.close. Just close that. Stop the season. Close it. Let's run this again. And you're gonna see again the problem is right here. So what we need to do now, I'm gonna show you how, guys. So you can see here, grab driver. We can see here, right here, we need this ID in order to kill WebDriver, Safari WebDriver, right? But I'm going to show you how to retrieve these ID with Python and do it automatically right here in just a few lines of code. So first of all, we need to import OS, and I'm going to show you right now how to solve this automatically. You don't need to go in terminal and kill that process. It's gonna be automatically. First of all, we go system, and I'm gonna execute the command ps grab web driver and put the output of this command in a file. It's gonna be users MacBook Pro. This is gonna be the path when we want the file to be. So I'm gonna put the file in user MacBooks, and I'm gonna call the file kill UID web driver.txt. Okay, and after we have write this file, it's gonna have the ID of the web browser, web Safari WebDriver. Okay, and we need to retrieve that ID from this file. So in order to do that, I'm gonna show you right now how to do it. we need to open up this browser, this file. Let's say open. I'm gonna crop this part right here and put it right in the foil. I'm gonna open that as just right, just read the file, and we need to read the lines in that file. It's going to be 2 lines. So just I'm going to create a list, empty list right here. I'm going to tell for line in F in this file right here, and I'm going to append this line into the alpha line A list. Okay, so and we're gonna grab from the list, that list, the first line. The first line is gonna be see, the first line is gonna be just like that. You see here is it's a space. We just need to crop this number, okay? But how are we gonna do that? So I'm gonna show you just right now how to do that. So UID, I'm gonna make a variable right here that gonna have the I. From I, select the first line, and from the first line we need this sequence of character from 1 to 5. We're starting from 1 because there is a space right here, so we don't need the space. So the space is gonna be at index 0. So we're gonna start from index 1, 2, 3, 4, but not including 5. Okay, and now we have the ID right here. So I'm gonna call os.system, and we're gonna execute the kill command right here plus the ID of webdriver. Okay, just let me go and kill this webdriver right now that it's running right now, and just let show the file, run the file again and see what happened. So we're starting the web browser right now. Just give it a second. Oh, my laptop it's running all day and it's getting a little bit slowly. So here we go. We start up web browser with Selenium. It's going through our URLs, Google, YouTube, Facebook, and Google, and it's gonna close the web browser right here after 5 seconds. And after that, after the browser is closed, our program is gonna execute this code. So it's gonna tell go to system and execute this command. This command is like executing in a terminal. So it's gonna write out this text file. So we can check this text file where it is. So it's right here. So I'm gonna show you what it contains. It's now doesn't contain just this, the grep command that is running the web driver. So Let's start it again and see if it works. We didn't kill the system by here, right? So it's working. So you can kill that, and you don't need to go into the terminal and kill the web Safari WebDriver again. So the Python is going to do that automatically for you. See, starting again. That's PS X and grab web driver. So cal 3618 and just close it up. Let's run the model again. It's going to go through our YouTube, Facebook, and Google every 5 seconds. And it's going to close the browser 5 seconds and kill the Safari driver. So we can run it again, the model, automatically, and the problem is fine, it's solved. That's all for me, guys.